we're gonna put a wig on her today. But I know y'all hear me talking. This is my first talk through. And what I did was I went ahead and arched my client's eyebrows. Now they on fleek. And now what I'm using is my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer to prime her eyebrows. I always use this because I don't like no oils on my brows and I like my brows to stay. Taking my 263 brush from MAC, y'all. It's an angle brush that I like using all the time. And I need a little bit of that Inglot, but not Malate. I don't. So when your liner dries out, all you have to do is get you a little bit of that Inglot Duraliner. But what I'm about to do is take some on the back of my hand. Because you can see it's a little bit too much. What I'm basically doing is basically lining her brows. She has full brows. She says she don't, but I think she does. She got some areas can be a little filled in, but that's okay. Just going along with her brows. As I go, I do wipe the tip out because I don't want her brows to be that dark. If you want to fill the top in, you can. Sorry about the stain on my shirt. That's got to be glue on my titty. But if you if you want to fill the top in, you can. I think I want to do it just a little bit on the ends, and then I'm just going to conceal her brows like towards the front, because the end, some areas could be a little sparse. So just the tails, and that's it. I'm going to take my MAC 212 brush. I love this brush for concealer. I already know. What I want to do first is start away from the brow and then go up. So what you want to do now is you want to pat the concealer and drag it until it's smooth. Not drag it, I'm sorry, don't drag, pat, pat, pat. I did the brows already, so now I'm about to go in with my P. Louise base in room number 3, y'all. So I stopped using room number 3 because it's actually a little lighter for me. So she's lighter than me, so we're going to go in with number 3, and we're going to prime this, or basically put this all over her lid. I'm just patting the concealer out just like I would do my eyes. Go on my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm about to grab this burgundy shade. This is the Saharan 2. Ooh. I keep forgetting this broke, y'all. I'm gonna grab this burgundy. Y'all know I love this burgundy. Okay, and we're doing a reverse method on her. So this way. What I want to do is take my MAC, which is this 248, doesn't matter, any flat brush, and just pat right there in her crease area. I'm gonna go in with Flaming Kisses Makeup Addiction palette with a MAC 221 brush. To take a lighter shade, which is this one, brush.
Don't forget our still.
Brush that I'm cutting with is a Crown C469. Add this white shimmer shade, y'all, from Arm & Gorgeous, right in the front of the cut crease. Add this liner. Use a Fashion Killer lashes. Alright, y'all, so this is the foundation I was telling y'all about, Urban Decay. I said I was going to get the shade 11 because the other one was too orange, so I was going to mix just a tiny bit with it to make it not be so orange. So with some setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics, and now I'm going in with Bronze Glow from Bobbi Brown, and basically give it some glow. Smell. I'm going to bronze, no, contour, sorry, with Morphe. Add blue to her waterline. You about to start. You about to start crying. What's this was Current by Double Wear. So I'm about to put nude lipstick in the middle cream. I think melted ice cream, and then Rich and Restless from MAC. Just a little bit of that. Trying to be tropical. Did you blend that together? No.
I wasn't supposed to.
No. Oh my goodness, girl. Don't rub it. I don't like when you rub it. Then it's just like, you ain't gonna see your liner.